Hi everyone, Caroline here. So it's just so interesting how things are happening these days, and I just want to share something that I experienced recently. You know how it's so weird when you're just kind of sitting and then you shift from being present physically into another realm and you're awake and aware? So this is what happened to me. I'm sitting there and all of a sudden I shift into this space and it starts raining light. You know what I mean? Like I kind of find myself in this room, in this space, and confetti like light, gold and, magentas and white, are falling from somewhere on me. And I'm just being washed by these lights that are coming from above. It was the strangest experience. And then all of a sudden, the lights turn into gold, like golden liquid. And it's coming down. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm in this experience, and I'm thinking to myself, Caroline, you better get a bucket. You better get a container. And you're wasting this gold. Look at it. Gold, gold, girl. It was raining light. And it's so funny because just the other day I saw someone describing these solar flares as solar rain. And this is just exactly how I kind of envisioned this. It's just that I didn't have the word, but the person was describing solar flares, the incoming solar flares, which are just so many at this time. The person was describing it as solar rain. So this solar light, this solar rain was raining on me. And it's like that song, It's Raining Man. Hallelujah. You remember that song by the Weather Girls? It's raining man, only it wasn't raining man, it was raining light. So this liquid light gold was being poured into this container that I am. And I thought about it. We're the physical vessel, the golden lights, the light, the alchemical light, which is gold. This magical light is being poured into us. This is what's happening right now. Man, things are happening. I'm not even sure where this whole thing is gonna go, but I'm just excited to experience. And let me just say this before I close this out. Man, on top of that, I'm seeing those numbers, repeating numbers like crazy. Even right now on this video, it's just saying 444. You know what I mean? Like, man, numbers, synchronicities are happening to me all the time, and I'm just like, something is happening and I must pay attention and I must catch it. And all I'm just saying is, because I don't understand it, I'm just saying, you know what? I receive that activation. I receive that activation. I receive that activation, whatever it is, because right now, what's there to understand? Things are just happening so fast and you're in it. Before you even blink, you're in it. So a lot of things are happening. Are we paying attention? Are you seeing all these lights? Is it just me? It's kind of really exciting how these things are happening. Like things are just shifting. You're in one realm and then you're in another realm experiencing something different, but totally relatable, totally understandable. Maybe you don't have the words for it, but you know something is happening that is just so out of this world. But it's because we have shifted, or because you have shifted from one way of being into another. And it is evidence that truly these dimensional shifts and dimensional movements are happening. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, is this thing really happening? Am I really like moving from one realm to another realm? Am I able to move from one realm to the other realm? But information is coming to us and we must notice. For me, it's always about noticing and taking action. Notice what's happening. Notice what's different. Don't discount it. Pay attention. Be aware. Notice everything. So have you experienced anything similar or anything in that vein, or are these interesting experiences happening for you? Let me know in the comment section. Till next time, it's lights, 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 because it's who you are, it's who I am, it's who we are. Love you. Bye.